Let's quickly unbox the Apple 12 Pro Max's silicone case, guys. The sunflower yellow version. My wife has been asking this for quite a long time. Today, here it is. The packaging is quite easy. Most of them are biodegradable stuff, just as Apple promises. The basic information leaflet. This case really pops. The color really pops, guys. I'm not sure if the video does any justice, but the yellow is quite bright, shiny, and it may not be suited for everyone's taste. Apple also gives you this lame information on how one should fit in their phone onto a case. I hope probably everyone would know that by common sense. The case is quite good to touch. The feel is good. It has a rubbery feel, and that gives a good grip to the hand. You have the NFC chip ring built in, so that it detects that it's an Apple case. The interior material is quite soft, like microfiber, and now as soon as you pop in, you get that nice flashy Apple animation. And I'm not sure of what great use or value it is. It's just a show off. You get it every time you pop in the case. Quite good, I would say, in terms of protection. I know many don't recommend the silicone case for protection, but for everyday use, if you're quite good with handling your phone, you keep it safe, you don't drop it often, I think that this is a good go. The buttons are quite clicky. It's not very difficult like some transparent cases or hard cases that you have. So that's it, guys. Talk to you soon on another video.